Here it is. All right. So in today's class, we talked about language. We started our discussion of language by talking about its symbolic nature, its arbitrary nature, its infinite nature, and the way that it serves as a limit to our understanding of the world and those around us. It's just the beginning, but language has a lot going on. We talked about how its fundamental nature makes it different from something like math. We talked about how I am going to get a sense of a word that's different from your sense of the word, even if we both think that it means roughly the same thing. We use the example of the word dog to highlight this. When I write the word dog on the board, I think of something. You think of something. They're probably pretty similar, but they're not the same thing. I then also add to that image or to that set of descriptions my own experience with that animal, with that word. And so I'm thinking about my dog and all of the good experiences that I have. And somebody else might be thinking of the time that they were attacked by a dog. Unfortunately, one of the things that we didn't talk about in class was that if I have a bad experience with a person or a term, then I might be triggered in a certain way and be taken back to that time where that bad word or that hurtful word was said to me. So I think about Joey Balistreri. Joey Balistreri called me a fat fuck in 5th grade. And I am not mad at him for it anymore. But I have to say that that word definitely stuck with me. Getting called that name. And so some words, unfortunately more often than not, it's the hurtful words. Those words stick with us. Sometimes they stick with us as much or even more than physical pain. And I'd like for you guys to think about that. Language is a very important thing, and as you might imagine, it, like the other chapters, could be studied, and you could get a PhD in multiple disciplines, all while studying language, let alone all of the different languages. And so, like I said, this is just the beginning of a much larger discussion. But I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say. Hope you enjoy those TED Talks. All right, take care.